This is the Best Choice Products 22-inch outdoor fire pit, and it just works wonderfully. My husband was able to assemble this in about 10 minutes. Very easy to put together. It also includes a steel mesh screen to prevent embers and debris from escaping. And there's also a fire tool too. It's made of all-tempered steel construction with a heat-resistant finish. And it's also very easy to clean. The overall dimensions are approximately 22 inches by 18.5 inches, and it has a weight capacity of 110 pounds. It's also very easy to assemble. It comes in 3 pieces: the base, bowl, and lid. This is a compact size perfect for campfires, bonfires, by the pool, or for your next outing. Would be really fun to take to the beach if it's allowed, and also on your next camping trip. Perfect for making s'mores or cooking hot dogs. I like that the compact design makes it so easy and portable to move around in your backyard. This is so fun to use, we really enjoy it, and we think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.